This week I'm testing the Haval H6 Lux. It's a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infant Secure. In the back of the Haval H6 there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats and top tether anchorages on the back of each rear seat back, and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now I could get a combination of 3 different Infant Secure child seats across this rear row. I've got the Optima, the Roma 2 and the versatile folding booster seat, or I could fit 3 Attain More child seats across the back row, forward facing or rear facing. Now I did find the legroom was really good in the H6. We could fit a 184cm driver in front of a rear facing child seat or taller in the passenger seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box for keeping the rear passengers nice and cool. Storage in the back of the H6 is good. There are 2 cup holders and a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold and conceal an iPad. The door bins in the back are small. I found only a 600ml water bottle would fit. There are the little storage wells and the handles too. Storage in the front of the H6 is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a little well in front of them too, and a phone charging tray. Now underneath there's a big area that's good for your shoes or bag or something like that. And the central console box is a good size too. The glove box is a good size in here. That would hold my wallet with the manual. There's a sunglasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins will hold a large refillable water bottle and an iPad. The boot of the Haval H6 opens manually and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 13 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 4 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 6 shopping bags, a single pram and 5 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 9 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Now the H6 is a bit of a lumbering, clumsy car to drive. Those gear changes are really clunky and that doesn't make for a very smooth drive for you or your passengers. Now that turning circle is quite good, which makes parking in supermarket and school car parks pretty fine. Now the media system in the Haval H6 does have a little bit of delay, I find sometimes, and is a little bit tricky to use. Now it does have CarPlay, which is fantastic and really helpful. When you put it into reverse, that camera image is lovely and clear, and you can have a 3D exterior view too, which is really good. You can turn these cameras on and off at any time using a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the Haval H6 Lux, it is an affordable family 5-seater car. The boot size is good, it can fit those 3 child seats across. I'm not sure about that media screen and the drive, however the cameras are fantastic.